Hi, this is Jeff Challen. In this screencast, I'm going to show you how to install a plugin that we're going to use for IntelliJ this semester. The plugin is designed to help you check the style of your code, but let me walk you through the installation process and we can talk a little bit more as we go. As usual, start at the course website and we are going to go back to the instructions for IntelliJ, and there is an additional section to the set of instructions. Now, again, if you haven't installed Java or IntelliJ at this point, please go back and start with Java, get IntelliJ installed, at which point you can install the plugin. I'm only going to demo this on Mac because the process is essentially identical on both machines. So the first thing I need to do is actually install download the plugin itself. So this plugin is not available from the plugin repositories that are configured for IntelliJ, and so we're just going to download it directly from the website. So use the link in our instructions and download the latest version of this plugin. At the time of this recording in early January, this was version 5.16.1. Maybe later versions will come out during the semester. I don't think that this is going to be an issue, but if you need to upgrade or we need to upgrade you to avoid some problems, we'll let you know. Once you have the plugin downloaded, the way to install it is pretty simple. So you fire up IntelliJ, or if you're already in a project, you can close the project to get back to this main IntelliJ screen. Down here at the bottom, there's a button called Configure, and if I click on the spinner by that, I see a plugins option. So I open up the plugins menu, and down here at the bottom there's an option to install plugin from disk. That's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to go back here. I'm going to find this plugin that I just downloaded. This is my checkstyle IDEA plugin. And that's it. Once I've clicked that button, there's an option to restart IntelliJ so the plugin is available. Let's do that. Once IntelliJ restarts, what you're going to see after the splash screen is I can go back to that plugins menu and verify that the plugin was installed properly. So I can see it here now in my list, checkstyle IDEA, and we're done. And that's it. It's quite simple. Checkstyle is an important part of what we're going to do this semester. There will be points available on each assignment for conforming to our checkstyle guidelines. There's more information about that on the website, but it's really important that you have this plugin installed so that IntelliJ will help you see problems with checkstyle in your code so that you can fix them and earn full points on the MPs.